everyone, Craftsman exterior remodeling on a finished exterior project here in the Meridian Hills area. Big transformation for this one. I'm sure you've seen some before and after photos and videos on the website and YouTube channel. So I wanted to hop on and show a finished product here as we are completely finished with this one. This house underwent all new siding, soffit, and trim, which is all James Hardie system. We did all new windows, replacement windows here in this house. I believe there's about 25, 27 windows. All new doors to the home as well, which will show entry doors, some sliding glass patio doors, and then new gutter guard system. So big exterior change for this one. I'll show some quick details of everything we have here. So I mentioned window replacement. As you can see, we replaced all the windows in this house. Went with a white. They wanted to keep this kind of colonial style grid. One thing we really are big on is a custom trim package. There's no metal here. We have phenomenal carpenters on staff. So this is a actual boral composite because it's in brick. We used boral all around this and custom built this frame for this window. You can see a very, very clean look. Very big on the details. And as you see here, we've added in some of these columns. Did some fiber cement and boral here on the column system. And then the entry portion to this home, large front porch, all new Hardie on the ceiling. As you can see, the columns here turned out really sharp. Hardie soffits on this. Here's some more of the windows, all custom trim package here in the brick with the boral. And then you can see the entry door went with black doors on this house, which I thought was a really nice touch. Did some custom trim around the black door frame to tie in with the all white trim. So very cool touch with the black doors. Walk back here, you can see nice column entryway. Again, large front porch, but has a nice homey feel to it. As we walk around the back, you can see more of the window replacements. Again, all the windows on the bottom have boral because they're in brick. Here we have a custom trim package on the window. Again, no metal. Here we have all the James Hardie fiber cement with this trim package around the windows that are in siding. So really big on no metal around the windows. It's just a much better look, and metal is very easy dinged up and bent. You can see here we have nice patio door, black. Here are all the windows. Again, this is James Hardie Rich Espresso Arctic White trim. All new windows. Door here. System boral on the chimney, boral on the roof line. And doors here. Thanks for tuning in. Craftsman Exterior Remodeling.